A century ago, machines took over our muscles. They powered factories, farms, and railroads. Today, machines are starting to collaborate with our minds. Not just automation that follows instructions, but intelligent systems that make decisions, learn from us, and even brainstorm with us. This shift has a name: human-machine collaboration, or HMC, and it could be one of the biggest economic opportunities of the decade. For investors, it means new markets, productivity gains, and competitive edges. For entrepreneurs, it means startups that reimagine industries, from manufacturing to healthcare to creative design. So the question isn't if humans and machines will team up, it's how fast and who profits from it. What is human-machine collaboration? Researchers like Jingjing Sun and Leiju Qu define HMC simply: people and machines solving problems together. Humans bring creativity, judgment, and ethics. Machines bring speed, precision, and the ability to crunch oceans of data. The collaboration is evolving fast. In the past, tools that followed orders. Then, automation, machines handling repetitive tasks. Now, machines that act semi-autonomously, recommend solutions, and even co-create. For investors, this isn't science fiction. It's product roadmaps and IPO pipelines. How collaboration works. There are a few key models of collaboration. Automation models. Machines assist, humans decide. Example: autopilot in planes. Autonomy models. Machines decide, humans supervise. Example: autonomous vehicles. Shared control models. Humans and machines trade control dynamically. Example: cobots on factory floors. Distributed models. Networks of humans and machines working together. Think logistics platforms or swarms of delivery drones. For entrepreneurs, each model is a design space. For investors, each is a bet on adoption curves and regulatory risk. Industry applications. Manufacturing is ground zero. Collaborative robots, cobots, work side by side with humans. Donda's 2025 review shows they boost safety and efficiency. Add in digital twins, virtual replicas of factories, and you get Industry 5.0. As Krupash and colleagues note, this isn't about lights-out automation. It's about human-centric factories where simulations and real-time AI let people and machines adapt together. In design, W. Lee's 2025 research shows how AI-generated content supports human designers. AI proposes options. Humans refine them. It shortens product cycles and sparks innovation. In services, Amin's 2025 study shows managers learning to partner with AI for customer engagement. The companies that master this first will widen their competitive moat. And in governance, Van Roy's 2024 paper shows governments testing AI simulations for policy. If states trust HMC for decision-making, expect regulation to follow, and startups to build the tools. The economic angle. At the individual level, HMC boosts productivity. Doctors analyze scans faster, engineers design quicker, analysts see patterns humans would miss. But it also shifts the skills mix. Demand rises for those who can work with AI, while routine jobs shrink. At the company level, HMC cuts costs and drives innovation. It means leaner teams producing more. Integration costs are real, but early movers set the pace. At the macro level, the stakes are higher. Research from Sheng in 2025 shows HMC drives value creation and inclusive growth, but only if adoption spreads widely. Otherwise, inequality grows between firms and workers that can adapt and those that can't. For investors, this translates into sector bets. Who builds the enabling platforms, who captures efficiency gains, and who risks being disrupted? Challenges ahead. This isn't frictionless. Trust is a hurdle. Schmutz's 2024 review shows that humans only team effectively with AI if they trust it. Accountability is a legal puzzle. If a machine makes a mistake, who pays? The company, the designer, or the algorithm? Communication matters. Schneider's 2025 research stresses the need for intuitive interfaces so humans and machines can actually talk to each other. Culture counts. What works in a German factory may not fly in a small U.S. startup. These challenges are risks, but they're also opportunities for entrepreneurs to solve. Where it's going. Looking ahead, the frontier is clear. Stepancic's 2025 work shows HMC moving into AR, VR, and cyber-physical systems. Wang's studies in 2025 show algorithmic management reshaping worker behavior, raising both productivity and ethical questions. Digital twins, human-centric Industry 5.0, and human AI teaming will dominate the next decade. For investors, this means growth markets. For founders, it means white spaces to build in. Human-machine collaboration isn't about replacement, it's about amplification. The winners of this decade will be the companies that design systems where humans and machines amplify each other's strengths. Investors should ask, who's enabling collaboration at scale? Entrepreneurs should ask, which industries still run on old automation, waiting for true collaboration? The future won't be human versus machine. It will be human with a machine. The real question is, who will build the partnerships that define the next trillion-dollar opportunities? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the bell icon to see new videos from me. See you in the next video.